Hi everyone, welcome. You are joined with a new video of Senul Tech vlog. So in today's video we are going to see how to speed up a video clip using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021. You can also speed it up and also you can make it like slow motion. So without talking anymore, let's go straight. So here we go. I got the normal interface. Import some media first of all. First let's see how to make a video clip fast. And I added a video clip. Let's check it out. This video clip contains like some vehicles are going on the road and it's taken by a drone shot. Now I'll drag it to the sequence. I'm not dragging it while pressing control because there is only one single clip. Now I'll make the video clip bigger while scrolling the mouse while Alt is pressed. Okay, now you can see this is almost going like this and it's been finished from here. So if I want to make a certain part fast and a certain part slow, let's see how to make it fast. Like if I want to make it fast from here to somewhere over here, I'll just move my timeline here and then cut it by using the eraser tool and then choose the place where I want to cut it. Okay, now I'll go to the selection tool again and you can see now it's divided, like it's separated. Now I want this part as the normal speed and this part to the fast speed, and also from here I want it to be normal speed again. Okay, I want this clip to be the normal speed. I want this clip to be normal speed and this whole clip from here to here to be fast, and then again this clip slow. So now I'll choose the clip which I want to make fast and then I right click on it and then go speed or duration, and you can see the window is called clip speed or duration. Now there's a small square and inside it is mentioned as speed and a certain number, and also the duration of this video clip. If you want, you can change it only to some duration from where the timeline is. I'll change it to somewhere around 400 and then I'll click OK. Now you can see the video clip got short because I made it speed. Now let's check it out. Wait, I'll make the program monitor big. Okay, you can see it's going so fast. So it will be like that. Okay guys. So now I'll again go to window and click on restore frame. Click on. And now let's see. Now let's see the normal preview. Like it's going slowly as the normal speed which it was taken, and then if you see the program monitor, it's going fast as before. No, not as before. Going so fast than before. Yeah. Now let's see how much time it will take for exporting. But wait, the video is not finished. We are also going to see how to make the video clip slow motion. So be on the video. let's see how much time it will take us to export this video clip. So guys, you can see it was exported as it was, and it didn't took even 1 minute. It took like 3 seconds because there's a small thing which is the speed. Now I'll go ahead and delete these video clips. Choose one, delete, and then delete the media pool also. And now everything is empty as new. So I'll import some media again. The video clip which we want to make it slow motion, and I'll just drag it without clicking control because there's only one single clip. And you can see this car is going to go a race, and the wheel is going, and here we go, and it's go. Okay, it's go. So now from here I'll cut it using the eraser tool, and then also from somewhere over here again I'll cut it, and then that will be one single clip. Okay, and I'll choose the video clip which we cut it right now, and then right click, go to speed or duration. This time interpolation thing, it's mentioned as frame sampling. Choose it and then click on optical flow, and then click OK. Okay, after you click OK once, and then again go to speed or duration, and then change the speed here. That optical flow means it makes your video clip, I mean the slow motion part, very smooth. Okay guys, now I'll put the speed for somewhere around 40, then I click OK. Now let's check it out. Okay, it's going so slow. Okay, and here we go. Okay, let's make it bigger. Choose the program window, go to window, click on maximize frame, and then let's play it out. So guys, that's it, and that's how our video is being ended up. Let's see how much time it will take for this to be exported. Because we meant it as slow motion, it takes some time to be exported, but not much. Somewhere over 15 seconds and 10 seconds, so yeah, somewhere over there. And now I'll go to file again, and then click save, and then I close the project. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also this video was interesting for you guys. So without talking anymore, I'll end up the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do this. And let's meet from a new one. Peace out.